This is the brand new bumper I got for the El Camino. It's, well, the other one was getting a little pitted, so I got this one, and it's from Goodmark, which I'm sure you're going to recognize that name. They're a big name in body panels and so forth. I've used their parts before. It's good stuff. The hood on the El Camino is a Goodmark. Been there 12 or 13 years at this point. Everything is good about it. And I was really happy with this bumper when I got it. And now I've had it installed literally 95 days. I got delivery. Look at this. I hope that can come through. That is where it's beginning to pit. 95 days. Now, I didn't just pull this thing out of the bag and stick it on the car. I pulled it out, scrubbed it down with Dawn, rinsed it off, rinsed it like crazy, dried it off, and when that was done, I wiped it down with mineral spirits to make sure I got everything off of it. And after that it was wiped off and dried, I put 2 coats of Mcgwire'S wax on it. 1 coat one day, 2 days later I put another coat. Put this thing on the car, and it's been about, like I say, I took delivery 95 days ago. Now, I got it from RockAuto, and RockAuto has a pretty good policy, 90 days you can return it. And I've just noticed this yesterday afternoon. It's over 90 days, they're not going to take it back, but it's not their issue. They don't make these things. They just simply sell it. This is a Goodmark issue. Goodmark has a 120-day warranty on this thing, and it's a limited warranty, which means what? It means you're not going to get your money back, you're not going to get a new bumper, you're going to get part payment for it. This ticks me off, folks. That right there can change my mind forever about Goodmark parts.